Good evening, dear viewers. Today, we'll talk about an important topic for those considering investing in a business: how to choose and buy a business correctly. Let's delve into this together. The first question we'll address is why it's sometimes better to acquire an existing business rather than starting from scratch. What are the advantages and risks associated with this? Before buying a business, it's crucial to analyze the market and trends. What factors should be considered to make the right choice? Every business is unique, and before making a purchase, it's essential to define your goals and strategy. What tasks are in front of you, and how does the business align with your plans? Evaluating the financials of a business is a crucial moment. We'll discuss how to conduct a financial health check of the company and assess its value. Buying a business is a significant decision, so it's important to understand the legal aspects and complete all necessary documentation. How to ensure the safety of the transaction. Effective communication with the current owner is key to a successful purchase. How to establish productive interaction and ensure a smooth transition. After a successful purchase, it's crucial to continue developing the business. We'll discuss how to ensure its stability and growth after the deal is concluded. In conclusion, we'll summarize and highlight the key points to consider when buying a business. Thank you for your attention. We hope that our discussion will help you make the right decision when choosing and purchasing a business. Wishing you successful investments, and until our next meeting on our channel.